EDO 2020. Plenty women for the 10 wards where they Etsako West local government area don't decamp from APC, Enta PDP. Almost 2,000 women for Etsako West local government area don't decamp from APC go PDP. And among the women who decamp now, Edo State Commissioner for Budget and Planning, Honorable Momo Oize Omorogbe. Una go sabi say Auchi na one place where erosion we don't carry, but now the story for there don't change as construction of big drainage system they go on for there. And this one happened inside the 3.5 years where Obaseki take become governor. Now this one make women from Ward 1 to 4 where they stay around the project come decamp from APC, Enta PDP, so that they go fit support Obaseki for second term.
Anywhere Finishabu is and Obaseki is, we are going with them. And we're proud of them, that is why we are moving with them.
I know say the good things we do, he go fit make our way. Then make her the follower.
The women gather small for the 4 wards as this one follow for COVID-19 rules where they for ground. PDP chairman for Etsako West local government area, Alhaji Aliyu Shaka, talk say it go dey easy for PDP to win the local governments now as Governor Godwin Obaseki don't become member of their party.
I'm very optimistic of PDP returning Obaseki and Finishabu. They coming to us today, it make me even more happy than the other thing. Now I can even sleep a bit. Much work cannot be done with me. People are supposed to be going to go and meet. And now here is a mass exodus moving from that very party.
The commissioner when nearly decamp enter PDP talk say she happy for the new family where she joins so.
We are continuing the work as we are even in a new party. We even do more and more and more and more. So we are happy to be here and we are working and moving forward.
Now here we see this Ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top say over 2,000 women don't decamp from APC Enta PDP as them ready to support Godwin Obaseki for second term. Make una sabi say na TMC TV 9 they carry this Ogbonge informate they come give una. My name na Edo Edole.